Okay, so in this video there's gonna be pretty much two I'm gonna say kind of like 3 intros, because I'm gonna talk to you guys right now about what's going on. Okay, this video is like from a month ago, because you guys voted that you wanted to see the radiator first and then the Santa Ana meet. So then this video's after, which was filmed before the Santa Ana meet but after the radiator. So I'm just adding this in to update you guys why I haven't shipped out any orders recently. So for the this is just to inform you guys. You know, you guys don't have to believe me or anything. You guys don't have to accept my apology of why you haven't received your order or anything. I just want to update you guys. You know, I want to tell you what's going on. I don't like to hide anything from you guys, and that's not what I'm doing. So for the past, I want to say about almost a month, my family got COVID. Half of the house tested positive. My little niece, she had like a really bad temperature and everything, and it was just scary because of what happened to her before. She would get seizures from fevers. So that was scary. I had to stay away from that whole side of the house. I had to make sure we had to sanitize everything because we're living with them. We're going into the same kitchen and everything. So I haven't seen them for a freaking month. But after about, I want to say 2 weeks, somebody else from our side of the house tested positive, so they had to start seeing on the other side of the house. And then like another week later, my girl got it, so she had to stay quarantined in the room while I'm in the living room with my daughter. But then I got tested and I came back positive. My daughter came back excuse me. My daughter came back negative. So my mom was taking care of her. It was only them two, my mom and my daughter, that stayed negative. Honestly, to me it was like a normal fever, but what has really stayed with me the past 2 weeks is this cough and congestion. I should already be almost on my, like, I think 9 days. So I'm pretty much almost out of there. I didn't want to ship out any of your guys' order because of the virus. I don't know if it spreads that way, if sending your orders you guys will get it or something. So I've been just packaging orders and waiting till I feel better, sanitizing them, and then I'll ship them out as soon as I know that I'm not positive anymore, because I went to get tested and I'm still positive. Sadly, as of today, my daughter is getting sick, which sucks really bad because we've been trying to stay safe and be safe, make sure she's at least not the only one that doesn't get sick. But it looks like it's most likely going to be happening. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, just because I don't hide things. I like to be upfront about what's going on. I don't want you guys to think that I'm scamming you, because I have had a few messages that I'm a scam or the giveaway's fake. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, I haven't got you guys your orders. Not all of you guys, it's been a few of you guys that I haven't got your orders. That's why I'm explaining this. I don't want anybody else to get sick. Like always, I try to keep up with all my messages and everything, but it gets really hard at times. But yeah, don't worry guys, I got you guys. You know I got you guys. And for all the people still messaging me saying, don't worry, take your time, and still support you, this and that, I appreciate you guys so much. I can't wait to feel better and to make sure that I can send you guys your order with no knowing that you're not gonna get sick. So thank you guys and enjoy the video.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chose. Welcome back to finally a video that is more recent than the last two. So what we're doing today is we gotta freaking fix a ticket. Nothing major, just a front license plate. I'm gonna just go get some clips right now from AutoZone, do the front license plate. I hope it looks good, because I know the truck looks amazing without the freaking front license plate, but we'll see how it comes out. That's the first time I've ever been bothered for a front license plate, and I've had it off for, I want to say, like 3 years already, or more. I think more, actually. We went to a meet in Anaheim about a month and a half ago, 2 months, and the cop was pretty much just looking for anything to pull us over for, and he got lucky, found me without a front license plate. I'm pretty surprised that he didn't pull me over for my exhaust, because he was on my right side and that's where my exhaust tips stick out from. Luckily he didn't, because if not, I probably would have popped my hood, and there you go, state ref. I don't know, I feel like that's how cops have been pretty much all the time though. They always try to find something, anything to get you for, especially us in the truck scene right now, where the truck scene isn't that great. Cops are pretty much going after us because of all the meats, all the burnt meats, all the burnt parts that people have been doing. So we can't really drive around peacefully anymore. That's one thing that needs to get fixed within the scene, because then it's pretty much ruined already here in my area. I don't know how it is everywhere else, but yeah, we're gonna go to AutoZone real quick, install those front clips, and get some updates about everything that's been going on. And yes, we are in the Totoya today because it's too hot and we need AC, and the Denali does not have AC set. Man, I don't want to bore you guys with just talking, but I have a lot to say to you guys since I haven't vlogged in so long. Like, let me update you guys about the cam kit. So we're selling the cam kit. It is for sale. If any of you guys want to buy it, let me know. I already have a buyer, but they haven't sent me the cash or anything yet. But if you guys want to buy it, let me know. It's a custom cam, it has everything you need. I got the cam for $1,000. I'll take $1,000, I don't care. The reason for selling the cam is pretty simple. We're gonna put that turbo they sent me to use. I want to get a boost cam and a turbo kit, so we can install that turbo, see what the Denali could do before it blows up, or before the transmission goes out, honestly. But with that transmission going out, it'll open the doors to new things. We could upgrade the transmission, or upgrade it to a newer, better transmission. But yeah, guys, oh man, there's so many things that we could do, but there's so little time. Oh, look at that single cam. That's clean. That makes me miss my 2016. Man, I miss that truck. Now we're back. Got the clips, but look at that. Wow. 105 degrees out here. Bro, it's so hot you could hear the neighbors singing outside. Watch. You heard that? All right, let's go. Damn, even though she's dirty, look at that. One big question that I get all the time is, when's the next giveaway? We haven't found the truck yet, man. Everybody is selling 99 Chevys with 250,000 miles, a V6 for $8,000, which I believe is pretty stupid. I get the supply and demand and everything, why they're priced like that, but it's really, really dumb. Hey, look, it's El Compa, el mailman over there. But yeah, guys, we're still looking for a truck. I 100% want it to be a single cab, but I have seen some pretty badass 4-doors that I would do. But what's your guys' opinion? What would you want for the next giveaway truck? What I'm really thinking of doing is getting a single cab OBS Chevy, slamming it for sure. Not sure if we should go for bags or not, but I really do want to go for the next giveaway truck, a bag truck, just because they look like freaking fun, and we've already experienced lower trucks, static drops. That's what I want to do next for you guys. But you guys let me know what you would want. I'm still looking for a truck. If you guys have a truck for sale, let me know. I'll be down to check it out. But yeah, guys, let's continue with this video. We got the clips. Let's install these. Man, I hope these fit actually. It says it was this kind. Oh, that's not gonna fit right there. Let me go get a real clip. Ooh, it's hot. I've also been wanting to do a deep clean on the interior, like take out the seats, vacuum it and everything. So we'll probably do that soon. I need a new sombrero. If you guys know where I could get one, let me know. Cause this thing's all squished up and ripped up after the years. Oh fuck, that's just hot. That's just hot as fuck. I actually freaking loved having these suction cups. Oh. The cop saw these suction cups. He's like, "Wow, that's new. I've never seen it with suction cups before." Guys, I just seen how freaking tiny these holes are, man. I don't want to make them bigger. Okay, so the hole is too small for these freaking clips that are OEM for these bumpers. So I'm honestly just gonna do it with this because I do not want to make the hole bigger, just in case I take the license plate off after I get the fix-it signed. So we're just gonna leave it like that. I already don't like how it looks, not gonna lie. Hopefully it don't fall off. I don't think it will. Let's see how it looks. It looks like it has a big old tooth. It doesn't look matte anymore. What I probably will do is get different color screws though, so it could look better. But yeah. Oh well. Let's see if the mailman will do a burnout for us. He said no. Damn, look at him. Right hand drive, master Tokyo drift. Holy shit. What if we get like a license plate relocator and put it on the right side somewhere? Like how they do it in the car scene. Look, here's some of the examples of colors. This is actually for my girl. I don't want that. Right here's a all style sand. I like it. I love this freaking color. Then we got the tank tops already up for sale. We got the creamy shirt. I love that color also. We got some, I think this is burgundy. Yeah, burgundy. We got some military, indigo blue, and the rest are newer orders ready to go out. Alright guys, so we got the jump starter, we got it charged and everything. We're about to jump the truck and then head out to court. Alright, so I absolutely love this jump starter once again. If you guys have been watching my videos, then you see this jump starter a lot since I don't move the truck that much. But if you guys want to get one, go ahead, check them out. There's a link down in the description by Hulkman. It's already 95 out here and it's barely 12, I think. Okay, man, it's hot. All right, so I've never been to the courthouse to get a fix-it ticket signed off, so it's my first time, honestly. I have gotten a fix-it ticket, but I missed the date pretty much, so I had to just pay the full price. But not this one. Let's go. All right, we're here at the Fontana Courthouse. That guy over there going in also. Let's see, because today is the actual day that I'm supposed to do it at. So I feel like I am too late because the paper says to do it before today. which I should have gone yesterday, but they closed early. So, wish me luck, guys. Alright guys, we're back at home. We got some, I think it's the, what's it called? Something about the module, or I don't know what, when those two lights pop up. But we got the ticket signed off. The courthouse, I guess, I didn't know the courthouse couldn't sign it off. But the police department did. The front desk lady, officer, I mean, signed it off. But I think I have to take a trip to Fullerton to show the court that it is signed off. So I'm gonna give them a call, see if I could either get an extension, because I think they close soon, because I do not want to pay $200 for not having a front license plate. So I'm gonna call right now, see what's going on, and hopefully we could get that fixed. But that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all your support once again. I'm gonna try to be more consistent with the videos now, since most orders are done and out of here, and hopefully in your guys' hands already. And if they're not, then wait a little bit longer. They will be there. Thank you for being patient through this whole process, since I am a one-man army and I do pretty much everything in the warehouse by myself. So thank you guys again. See you guys next time, and take care. TCB. Oh, you guys like the new shirt? It's like a creamy color, and then I got the 3D puff right here. I don't think it's something I'm gonna sell, but if you guys want one, let me know.